Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya o. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn ọ̀nà ìdábọ̀ sóhun mi ló jọ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú.
In today's video, I want to share something that is very, very important that can also save your life. And if you have someone that is suffering from this kind of problem, you understand, I will advise you to share this video to save his or her life. What I want to discuss today is how to use cola and honey to treat hiccups. We all know the meaning of hiccups. In Yoruba language, we call it a suke. You understand? And let me tell you one thing. I don't know if there is medication for hiccups. I think you understand. But I think there is no any medication for hiccups. And Oxtodos, they cannot identify the causes of hiccups. I think you understand. But they suggested maybe it is pneumonia, you understand, or uremia, or stomach disorder, or esophagus. Are you with me? Or alcoholism. So if you are addicted to alcohol, you understand, they believe that maybe that is the causes. Or you drink too much of water, you drink fast, or you eat fast. Maybe you are hungry, and when you want to drink water, you are drinking the water anyhow, or you are eating anyhow, you understand, it may cause hiccups. But in our own culture, most especially in Yoruba land, our forefather believed that this thing is not an ordinary ice that you can just take as granted, you understand. So they have something that you can use to treat hiccups. So that is what I want to explain today. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babiwenge. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hour I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of video that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So in today's video, and as you see from the title, today I want to explain the importance of cola and honey. As I said earlier, if you have someone that is suffering from hiccups, in Yoruba language we call it a suke. You have someone that is suffering from hiccups, please you can share this video so that you will save his or her life, you understand. Because hiccups, if you don't take good care of it, it can lead to anything, you understand. So, and in Yoruba language, we believe that some hiccups are not ordinarily, you understand. They don't have anything to explain it. But they believe if it is a pneumonia, you understand, if you are, maybe you have infection that, or your liver has been infected, so it is infected. Or you have uremia, like maybe you have a kidney problem, you understand, or stomach disorder or esophagus, like maybe you have ulcer and so on. I think you understand. Or you are addicted to alcohol. They believe that those things can cause hiccups, you understand. But in Yoruba language, I cannot say that we believe that, you understand. But our forefather have a effective remedy to treat that hiccups, you understand. So that is what I want to teach you today. If you don't need it, please you can write it down in case of necessity. Please, I'm begging you in the name of Almighty God. You may need it. If you don't need it today, you may need it tomorrow, you understand, because we are human being and living thing, you understand. Anything can happen at any time, but I pray to Almighty God that bad thing will never happen to us, and it will never happen to our children, our husband and our wife, our family, by the grace of Almighty God. But please keep this in case of necessity, please. So you need a cooler. You can get more than 2, 3, 4, 5 coolers, you understand. And this cooler, you must buy fresh cooler, or if you can't find fresh cooler over there, you can buy dried one. Or if you get a fresh one, you have to dry it yourself. It's not that you are going to powder the fresh bitter cola and you dry it. No, you need to dry it complete, you understand. So after that, you powder it. You powder this cola. It's not bitter cola. You powder it and you add it into original honey. So if you have someone that is suffering from hiccups, you understand, you can give it to him to lick every day, by the grace of Almighty God. By the grace of God, he or she will, by the grace of Almighty God, he or she will never experience anything called hiccups. So please make sure that you allow the person to lick it every day, you understand. So that is what I have for you guys today. Please, if you love this video, to like this video, and as you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. Please, if you want to watch this in Yoruba language, you can join my Facebook page, you understand. So I've already dropped the link under this description of this video. So if you click on that link, it will automatically take you to my Facebook page. So thank you for watching.
Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ la fi ń ṣe tiwa.